Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Dr. Vipin. I am a doctor and also a professional German tutor. I am teaching German since 1 year on Preply platform. Today I will explain how to approach any Goethe, TELC or any German exam effectively. I will discuss about 5 principles that help me to score above 85% in my Goethe B2 German exam. So many students spending months in preparation for German exam but still not able to pass and score good enough. The problem is not about their preparation or their level, it's about the correct approach. So let's discuss about the correct approach to Goethe exam or any German exam. Let's start. The first and the most important thing is understanding the exam pattern. Before you start preparation, take some time to understand the structure of the exam, the different modules like Lesen, Schreiben, Sprechen, Hören, and also the types of questions they will ask you during the exam. When you clearly understand the exam format, you save a lot of time during the exam and you feel much less nervous because you already know what to expect. So it saves time during exam, also reduces nervousness. The second principle is the consistency and the practice. So many students try to study for many hours in one day before the exam, but they stop studying for several days, and this approach usually does not work. It is much better to study German for short time every day. So avoid studying many hours before the exam. Be consistent. Small progress every day is much better than learning at the last moment. So you can say something is better than nothing. Daily practice. It is very important. Study every day 20 to 30 minutes. Practice different skills. Don't just stick to one single module. You will waste a lot of time. Also, you feel like you can't do it anymore. So just practice different skills, not only the weakest module. Repeat on the regular intervals, also very important. If you will not be in touch with the topic you already finished, you will keep forgetting. So better just do fast reading every day what you already finished before. The third most important thing is learning method. So focus on important topics. Learn useful vocabulary. For example, Arbeit, Studium, Technology. These topics you are expecting every exam because there is no exam without these topics. So prepare the vocabulary related to these modules definitely, and understand the main ideas. Don't try to just cram, understand the main ideas. And don't try to learn everything. Study smart, not just hard. So you should focus on learning what really is important instead of trying to learn everything. For example, you are going to supermarket. You're not going to buy everything, you just buy what you need. Learning is the same. Learn what you need, not everything. So for learning methods, I will suggest you stick to one book for the vocabulary learning. And basics are same in all the books. Does not matter which it mention or anything. The basics will remain same. Only their pattern and sequence is different. So choose what suits you best. Use one textbook for basics, but you can practice model tests or exercise from different books. So don't learn everything, learn what you need. It saves you a lot of time. And you will also not panic that you are unable to cover all the topics. The next fourth important principle is the right study material. So for basic grammar and vocabulary, almost any standard German book, textbook will work because core content is generally the same. So choose the right resources. For me, The Grammatic Active is the best among all the other grammar books. It helps me a lot during my exam preparation. So personally, I will recommend go for Grammatic Active for grammar part, and use exam specific preparation books to practice. Also avoid too many random materials. It will waste your time. These are the Grammatic Active books that I used for my exam preparation for B2 German Goethe exam. The last principle, but the most important, is the time management. Use timers while solving the exercises, because during the exam the most and biggest problem students facing is the time management. They are just focusing more on the accuracy and forgetting about the time, and in the end less time left, and they are marking the mostly wrong answer at the end of the exam. So always practice with the timers. Simulate real life exam, like if your exam at 9 a.m., practice always at that time, so it will prepare you mentally. Also try to complete the task faster, so it will improve your accuracy with the time management. So all the best for your exams. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. So comment below which module you are preparing for and which module is difficult for you guys. Next time I will share the strategies for different exam modules and how did I score more than 85% in my exam. So cheers.